Hello, I'm John with Roadkill Incorporated. So I've been watching way too much Mr. Beast on YouTube, and for those who haven't seen him, he's one of the biggest YouTubers, and in his videos he gives money away to normal people, and he does it in really crazy ways, which makes the videos popular, which makes more money, which means he can make even crazier videos and give away even more money, and it's really refreshing to see people being generous and also having fun at the same time. It's really a cool thing. And it got me thinking, I get thousands of computers, and there's no way I can refurbish them all, which is largely why I sell in bulk, to get rid of them and put them into the hands of others. And besides, people are always asking me for computers to refurbish, so hey, I figured, why not just give some away on YouTube? So that's what this is about. I decided to do it. I'm giving away 50 broken laptops for people to refurbish, so in other words, 5 people will win 10 computers each. Here's the way it will work. I'll give you the rundown of the 5 computer lots, which are all a little different. Just post in the comments which of the 5 lots you want, and give me the best explanation of why you should win. That's it. On Tuesday, October 20th, 2020, I'll pick the winners and contact them and ship the laptops out 100% free. You have to be in the US, unfortunately, because international shipping is ridiculous and costs literally 5 times more. I hate that that's the case, and I wish I could deal with people all over the world, but it's just impossible. Maybe at some point in the future if this goes well. So I should mention that if you're just looking for a working computer to use and you don't care about repair or refurbishing, then this is absolutely not for you. You won't find one perfect working computer here, and these will all just be junk to you. You'll just have a giant doorstop, basically. These are all broken, missing parts, needing repair. They have all kinds of issues. Some might not even power on. The whole point is to encourage people to get into repair, to install operating systems, to invest in finding the missing parts. In other words, to do the work refurbishing these computers and to put them back into the world. So please don't ask for these computers unless you're really invested in taking on a refurbishing project. I'm here to help. You can ask me questions along the way on my website, which is roadkillinc.com/answers, rdklinc.com/answers, and I also have a lot of videos on this channel that can guide you along. As far as what will make you a winner, in your comment, I really want to see that you have the ability and the commitment to refurbish laptops, and that you have a plan. Tell me why you're picking the particular lot of 10, why that model interests you. Think of it like a mini job interview. I really don't want to hear sob stories. Please don't tell me you're going to save the starving children. Tell me why you are the best person to fix these laptops, and why you are the best chance these laptops have to be repaired and put back into the world. So let's get started. Here are the laptops. First batch of 10, the A1181 13-inch MacBook. These are a very popular low-end MacBook from 2006 to 2009. They look the same, but there are several models. Only some have hard drives, but I'm including a few caddies and some screws and some of the hard drive brackets. But bear in mind they could have any given defect. I'm giving away one charger with each lot of 10 laptops just to get you started, and I'll throw in some various parts with each lot, which may include hard drives, batteries, screws, but definitely expect to be short quite a few parts. Okay, on to the next batch, the A1181 black 13-inch MacBook. Same thing as the white A1181s, they just require different parts because they're black, obviously. Like all of the 50 laptops, these could have bad keyboards, bad screens, anything, or they could be basically working. I recommend checking out ifixit.com for guides showing how to open these up. It's a really good resource. Anyway, the reason I'm giving away multiples of each model and not an array of models is because it makes sense to have spares. That's how you complete computers, being able to scrap the unrepairable ones in order to fix the repairable ones. You always want to avoid having to buy parts if you can, because that loses you money. The best source of parts is always a broken laptop. Alright, next up is the A1342 white unibody 13-inch. These were made from 2009 to 2010, and they're the successor to the A1181s. Technically, they're a better machine and they can take up to High Sierra. The catch is that they don't have bottom cases, so you'll have to get some of those, which will probably be the tricky part. These typically have a lot of cracks along the back of the screen hinge and in the body, and a lot of this model end up with bad keyboards, unfortunately. By the way, any hard drives I include with these lots will be wiped. They may have a fresh install of the operating system, or they may be blank and require you to figure out how to get an OS installed yourself. So get ready for some fun. Next lot is the iBook G4 12-inch. These are not MacBooks, these are iBooks. These are older machines, PowerPC laptops. They can take up to Leopard. Nice little compact laptops for running older software. They're really tanks. They're built like tanks, and they hold up really well, and they're actually starting to be collectible. The keyboards fold back and reveal wireless cards, if they have wireless cards. One bonus with these is that they should have hard drives. iBooks are nice because the hard drive is hard to get to, so recyclers often don't remove them, unlike other models. And the final batch, MacBook Pro 15-inch aluminums. These are 2006 to 2008 Pros. Nice machines when they're in good condition, but the aluminum is sensitive and tends to get banged up and scratched, and newer ones have a lot of GPU issues, especially the 2008 model, which means the board is bad. There are many different models of these, and they can be anywhere from Core Duos up to fairly fast Core 2 Duos. One thing I should mention is that the computers I'm showing might not be the same computers I send. I have tons and tons of all of these, so these are just examples, but what you're seeing here is definitely representative of what you'll get. Alright, so there you have it. There are the 5 lots to choose from. And so, just to be realistic here, only 5 of you are going to win, and that's not very many people. But that shouldn't be discouraging, because the thing is, if you're really interested in repair and refurbishing, that shouldn't stop you, because millions of equivalent laptops exist out there. I buy them from recyclers, as you may have heard me talking about, and so can you. Check out my video on buying from recyclers. It's really best to learn how to buy from the source, because that way you're actually saving the computers from being scrapped. And let's face it, you aren't going to succeed in this business unless you learn to find your own material, so figuring that out is absolutely critical. Winning 10 free laptops is great, but if you don't learn that skill, you're going to be dead in the water soon. Okay, so that's basically it. Leave a comment specifying which lot you want and why, and after October 20th, I'll contact the 5 winners by responding to their comments. And I think that's it. This is something I've never done before, so it's brand new to me. It might fizzle out and maybe no one cares, or it might be a huge success. I really don't know, so we'll see. So anyway, good luck, thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.